welcome to a new video. My name is Mika. For those who are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new here, I like to do lifestyle vlogs. I go to influencer events, just kind of like let you take a sneak peek into my life. So right now I kind of just made breakfast. I'm kind of waiting on it to finish, and I wanted to like jump on here real quick while Bae isn't around. So it's his birthday week, and I've been planning like this birthday surprise. And when I tell y'all, when I have a vision for like how I want to do like something, I have to do it like exactly how my vision is, or I just kind of get annoyed and don't even want to do it. So I was supposed to give this gift for our 1-year anniversary, but I was having some technical difficulties and couldn't really get it done in time. So I had to give him something else, and with his birthday being in July, I was like, oh, well, that'll give me more time to kind of like get it done. And y'all, I done had like a whole month to get this shit done, and I'm still missing like 2 things, and I'll kind of explain to you what I'm doing or whatever. So I love doing like thoughtful gifts. I like doing DIY. I like giving people gifts to let them know like that I've been paying attention to them. So this video really does that. It shows him that I know what he like, I pay attention, I'm observant, and I'm really thoughtful. So my sister, shout out to Kiara, she kind of gave me this idea because I knew we're going to like Chris Brown concert, and I knew that I wanted to incorporate that into like his gift, because like I like making like digital concert tickets. I made one last year for like not my sister, y'all, for my niece or whatever. She loves Beyonce just as much as I do. She's never been to a concert. So for our early birthday present last year, me and my mom took her to see Beyonce. So I wanted to do a cute way of surprising her with the tickets. But you know, like today, all the tickets are digital. Like back in the day, way back in the day, you know, I'm an 80s baby. When I went to my first concert, it was actually a printed Ticketmaster ticket or whatever. So it was very physical. So we don't have that anymore. So what I did was I designed a template, a concert template for Beyonce, and I made her like a cute little box, and it included like Beyonce inspired stuff. I had an outfit for her to wear, and then I had the printed ticket or whatever. And I'll link the video in the description box if you want to take a look at that video and how I put that together for her. So my sister kind of gave me this idea of doing a gift card book. A lot of people have been doing this book for graduation. Graduation just passed, and it was like a cute little way to send like their freshmen like to college with the little gift card book. So I was like, you know what, that is a cute idea. So I decided to do it. So first what I did, how I got started, is I wanted to I had to get the photo album. So this is the photo album that I got. Okay, everything in this album I pretty much like created myself or whatever. I did it through Canva. So this sheet right here, I'll show y'all. So I just made this template right here on Canva. I just have happy birthday, and I want it to fit like right here in the window. So when you see it, you see this. Now the actual photo album, I got this from Amazon, and it'll also be linked in my description box. So what I did was, guys, is I made like these little gift card templates. So on one page I have like pictures, and this is like his favorite picture of me. So I had that. So I gathered a whole bunch of pictures. I got the pictures printed off Shutterfly. They do free pictures. You can do 4x6 pictures for free. The only thing is you do have to pay for the shipping. and I think the shipping was like $7 or something like that. So I guess, you know, basically I paid $7 to get these pictures printed. Anywho, so I got our favorite, his favorite picture printed, and then on this side is where the gift card is. So I actually created this gift card template in Canva. So it has like a theme for all the gift cards that I created for him. So the first one was like Starbucks. So this is the Starbucks one. And then I'll just kind of go through so y'all can see. So we have this. Our Cinco de Mayo, one of his favorite restaurants is Chipotle. So I kind of had to get the Chipotle one, y'all, because I can't. And then I got him a Chick-fil-A. Like, look at this. Chick-fil-A card. And then I got, you know, we like to go to the movies. He like to buy snacks. So I got him like AMC gift card for snacks. And then I got this. He likes tropical smoothie. You know, yesterday he kind of like tried to trick me yesterday because he was saying something about Smoothie King. He was like, oh, I wish Smoothie King was around. I had Smoothie King. And I was like, Smoothie King? I was like, I thought you like tropical smoothie. He was like, oh, well, yeah, I do. You know, he was like, the only thing about Smoothie King is they don't have food. Tropical smoothie have food. So, y'all, when I say y'all, my heart was beating because I was like, I knew I had got this tropical smoothie gift card. And I was like, what? But I was like, okay, you do chocolate smoothie. Okay, okay. So the next one is like a Target gift card. And then, so this is one of the things that I need to still get, okay? Yeah, I'm still like running late, but this is gonna be like McDonald's. So I'm gonna have like a McDonald's like gift card here. We have, he loves pizza. Pizza is one of his favorite things to eat. So I got him a Blaze Pizza gift card. And then this is the other thing I have to get too. So this is gonna be for subs. He loves Publix subs. So I gotta go to Publix and get the Publix gift card. I'm probably gonna get it tomorrow. Cause we're supposed to go somewhere today, so yeah. And then I got him a scratch off. You know, hopefully he wins some money and give me some money, okay? Then I got this Jenny's. And so, and then this is what I did with the Chris Brown. So we're going to the Chris Brown concert. So this is gonna be in the back, at the back right here. So this will be the last thing you see. And I actually made this template. And I made this template on Canva. This is one of the ones I do. And I also do sell the templates on my shop. So I have multiple like concerts. Chris Brown, Meg, Usher, Maxwell, Janet, Missy. And then if you ever like want me to create like a concert ticket template for you that's not on my shop, you can always like shoot me an email and I can create one for you. So I'm gonna take one of the concert tickets out of here so you can kind of see. So this is the size. You can see the size right here. And then this is the back. Isn't that cute? And it also has like, I don't really want to bend it, but it has like a little dotted line right here where like if you was going somewhere you can kind of like tear the stub off. Like, ain't that cute? So he already know about the concert or whatever, but I just thought that still was gonna be cute, you know, to add in here. So just to kind of, you know, in the back. And how I printed this off is I saved it as an image, and then I got this. Hey, this is on Amazon. I got this from Amazon, and it will also be linked on my Amazon storefront, or the direct link would be in the description box. But when I tell y'all that paper made it so easy to print, when I did the Beyonce ticket, I printed through Canva, and then I tried to print this through Canva again, but it just didn't turn out right, and Canva didn't have like a ticket option for me to print it. So I was like perusing Amazon per usual, and I came across like the ticket or whatever. So I like that the it's already in a ticket shape, so you don't have to like change anything. And then the convenient thing that I like is you can go to like their website right here, and you type in like this number, and it'll pull up like the template, and all you have to do is upload your picture and put it in the template or whatever, and you just kind of like resize the picture. I didn't need to do too much resizing. It was almost perfect. So you just make sure you fit it into like the red lines, and then once you do that, then it'll save it in a PDF form for you, and then you go and you print the PDF with the ticket or whatever on a ticket paper, and it came out perfect. I mean, y'all, like I was so fucking impressed. Like I was impressed, y'all. So then I can show you, I printed some extra gift card inserts because I didn't know like what places I was actually really gonna go. I could tell you, like, I think it's so cute. It was such a cute idea, but I didn't realize like how much whipping and running that I was gonna be doing, because you can't buy a gift card online. So I had to like physically like go to these places. So that kind of got me. So this is what the blank template looks like. So you have like the place where you would stick the gift card at. And so like the gift card template with the gift card inserts is also on my shop. So I will link that in the description box as well. It is a digital Canva template. And basically all I did is I saved the images, and then I put the images on in a Microsoft Word sheet. And then I printed out, they printed out like 2 at a time, and then I just cut it out and just insert it in the insert. And then to put the gift card there, I used double-sided tape. So that stuck on there, and it's really good. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to, you know, show y'all, you know, this would be perfect for like, I showed it to like my mom and my niece, and my niece was like, oh, I want one, I want one. This would definitely be like, make a great like birthday gift, a great Christmas gift. You can put whatever amount that you want on the gift cards. Like there's no set amount that you have to put on it. So, you know, you select your amount for the gift card and you just put it on the gift cards. I think this is something like perfect, especially like for Christmas. You can get started early. So we're already in July, so you kind of can start right now for Christmas, and like you can pace it, because I think it came out to a total of, let's see, about 12 gift cards. One, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's about 11 slots for the gift cards, because one slot is the gift card and the other slot is a picture. Pictures that you could put of, you know, the person or you and them, or, you know, if they like Beyonce pictures, like whatever pictures you want to do, you can put that on just one side of it. So it's like 11 gift card slots. So you definitely like want to kind of like pace yourself when doing this gift. You can just do like 1 or 2 gift cards per pay period, and you'll definitely be able to have this gift for Christmas or birthday, or it's really just really good for any occasion. So yeah, so I do have inserts too. This also be good for Valentine's Day. If I have any men on here, your girl would love this. Okay, so I have different like front inserts there too, but if you see anything that, you know, you want specifically, you know, you can also let me know. Also, the templates are very like customizable, so you can always like customize the template to what you want it to be. If you want to change the color, you can change the color. If you want to, you know, add a new one, you know, you can add a new one. Like, it's really customizable. Like, once you have the template, you can really kind of make it whatever you want. So I can't wait to see like what his face looks like when I actually like give him the gift. He said he want his gift on his actual birthday, which is Friday. Tomorrow, we're doing bowling with friends, so he didn't want to dance. So I'll give it to him on Friday, which works because I still got like 2 more places to get gift cards from. Yeah, I am cutting it close. So yeah, so let me go ahead and get up out of here, and I will, check in with y'all later.